This is Barrel Monkeys, the 2011 Shiraz McLaren Vale, and this is made by the Redheads studio. So we've featured a number of the Redheads wines. These are pretty much small batch wines made at this place called Redhead Studios, which was once a bar. And these winemakers used to go there and drink, but then they decided they wanted to start making some wine there. After they finished their day jobs, they wanted to find some small lots of grapes that were really good quality, really nice concentrated fruit, and make small batch wines. And so that's what they started doing. And of course, you know, it just expanded into its own little winery. And wines have cute names like Barrel Monkeys or Moonlighters. Kind of describes the winemakers themselves. You know, they're out there in the back jumping from barrel to barrel, tasting them all, and, you know, just seeing what's what and putting together the blend. But what you have here is 100% Shiraz from McLaren Vale, 3 different lots, all old vines averaging over 30 years of age. So really nice, good, concentrated, deeply flavored fruit. And then, of course, they age it in all American oak. They're actually using about 50% new oak on this one. So, and that's really the story. But actually, the story is here in the glass. And wow, big nose on this. A lot of spice, a lot of nice cherry, berry, blackberry. Little vanilla notes. Very zesty nose. Let's taste. Yeah. So on the palate, it's very concentrated, very dense, but at the same time, it's sort of pretty. There are sort of delicate fruit notes to this. I get a lot of cherry, black cherry, blackberry, sort of sweet notes. But then you get all the wonderful spice surrounding that, those brown spices, and little hints of minerality. A little sort of a chewy quality on the mid palate. It's going to evolve a bit, I think, over the next 2-3 years. Soften and get maybe a little more complex, but all the elements are right here, and it's very appealing. Enjoy.